I'm Jorelyn, the team leader of our Arduino project, and I'm excited to introduce the team that made this possible. First, we have Christian, our programmer. He focused on writing the Arduino code to make sure all the parts and functions work properly. Next is Rizel, our analyst, who helped us understand what the project needed and guided us with the right planning and data. Then there's is Yesha and me were the designers of the group. We worked together to build the actual setup, connecting the components, arranging the parts, and making sure everything was working as planned.
Arduino product number 4, the fading light, smoothly changes an LED's brightness from dim to bright on black. It uses PWM, which is pulse width modulation, to control light intensity. This project helps in understanding analog output simulation in Arduino.
So we have components. First is DFR Arduino board. This is like the brain of your project. Prototyping shield. This is placed on top of the DFR Arduino. Male-to-male jumper wires. These are small wires used to connect parts together. Resistors. This controls the flow of electricity so your LED doesn't burn out. LED light 5 mm. This small light turns on and off in your project to show it's working. And let's get to the exciting part.
All our materials are ready. On the right, we've got our Arduino kit, and on the left, everything we'll need for our fading light project. Our lineup includes the trusty Arduino Uno, two jumper wires, a breadboard, a 220 ohm resistor, and of course, a 5 mm LED. First, I grabbed the Arduino Uno and set it up. Then, I placed the breadboard neatly on top of the Arduino kit for a clean, compact look. Next, I pick up the 220 ohm resistor and 5 mm LED, placing them right beside the breadboard so they're easy to reach. Now, let's put it all together. I start by placing the 5 mm LED into the breadboard. Next, I add the resistor, our little safety guard for the LED. Then, I connect the two jumper wires with one end in the breadboard and the other plug into the Arduino Uno. And yay! Our fading lights project is all set up and ready to go. And now it's time to upload the code and watch the fading light happen. So first, we're telling the Arduino that our LED is plugged into pin 10. We call it K-pin LED so we don't have to keep typing the number 10 all over the place. In the setup function, which runs only once at the start, we set pin 10 as an output. That means the Arduino will send voltage to that pin to control the LED's brightness. Now, for the fun part, inside loop, the first thing we do is fade in the LED. We use a for loop that starts at brightness level 0, which is completely off, and goes up to 255 maximum brightness. Each time the loop runs, we use analog write to set the LED's brightness, then wait 5 milliseconds so the change is smooth and not instant. After it's fully bright, we do the opposite. We count backwards from 255 to 0, making the LED slowly get dimmer until it's completely off, and then the loop starts all over again.